Hello everyone. In last video we had completed section A. Now today we are going to start our remaining revision works. So starting with section B and continuing. So let's get started. First, starting with chapter number 5 section B, answer the following question in one sentence. First question is, from which are natural resources like coal and petroleum formed? And the answer is, natural resources like coal and petroleum were formed the dead remains of living organisms. Second question is, what is the great advantage of CNG? And the answer is, the great advantages of CNG is that it can be supplied through pipes in homes and factories. Now third question is, what is PCRA short form of? मतलब कि what is the full form of PCRA? And the full form of PCRA is Petroleum Conservation Research Association. Fourth one is, what is the use of coal gas? And the answer is, coal gas is used as a fuel in many industries. Now talking about part B, give differences, and the first one is coal and coke. So here you have to write the difference between coal and coke. And the first point is, it is hard as stone and black in color. We are talking about coal. And in the opposite side of coke, it is tough, porous and black substance. Second point, made from dead vegetations millions of years ago, and the coke is made from reaction of coal. And the third point is, percentage of carbon depends on the types of coal, and the coke side the percentage of carbon is 87% to 89%. Now starting with chapter 6, and the first question is, what is the calorific value of biogas? And the answer is, calorific value of biogas is 35,000 to 40,000 kilojoule per kg. Second question is, which is most common extinguisher? And the answer is, water is most common extinguisher. Third question is, which form is energy produced during combustion? And the answer is, during combustion energy is produced either as a flame or as heat. Fourth question is, give 3 examples of inflammable substances. So answer is petrol, alcohol, liquefied petroleum gas, CNG, etc. So here you can write any 3 of them. Now talking about part B, give differences, and the first one is LPG and wood. First point is, it is a gaseous fuel. We are talking about LPG, and in opposite of wood is it is solid fuel. Second point, it does not leave any residue after burning, and the wood it leaves residue like ashes after burning. Third point, it does not produce smoke. It produces smoke. In LPG it is easy to burn, and in wood it is not easy to burn. In LPG it has low ignition temperature, and in wood it has high ignition point. In LPG it does not cause more pollution. In wood it causes more pollution. And the last point of LPG, its calorific value is higher than wood, and in wood its calorific value is less than LPG. Now move towards to chapter number 7. So first question is, which is the first reserve forest of India? And the answer is, Saputara National Park is the first reserve forest of India. Second question is, what is the meaning of biodiversity? And the answer is, biodiversity means the variety of organisms extant on the earth, their interrelationship and their relationship with the environment. Third question is, what is Project Tiger? And the answer is, the government launched a project to project and to maintain the tiger population in country. So it is known as Project Tiger. Fourth question is, For what is the Forest Conservation Act launched in India? And the answer is the Forest Conservation Act launched for preservation and conservation of natural forest in India. Now talking about give difference, there is wildlife sanctuary and biosphere reserve. First point is it is an area where animals are protected from any disturbance to them and their habitat. And in biosphere reserve, it is large area of protected land for conservation of wildlife, for example plant and animal resources. Second point, in wildlife sanctuary, hunting and poaching of animals are prohibited there. And in biosphere reserve, many sanctuaries and national parks are included in it. Now talking about section C, scientific reason, and the first one is petroleum is called black gold. And the answer is many useful substances are obtained from petroleum. They are used in the manufacture of detergents, fibers, lubricants, colors. And the last point, in due to its great commercial importance, petroleum is the black liquid is called black gold. Now talking about section D of chapter number 5. Answer the following question in brief, and the first one is write the characteristics and some important uses of coal tar. And the answer is characteristic of coal tar. First is it is a black, thick and liquid. It has an unpleasant smell. It is a mixture about 200 organic substances. Now uses of tar. It is used as starting materials for manufacturing various substances used in everyday life. Manufacturing of dye, drugs, explosives in perfumes, manufacturing of plastic, paints, photographic materials and roofing materials. And the last point is to make naphthalene balls. Second question is why should fuel such as petrol and diesel be used economically? And the answer is petrol and diesel are obtained from petroleum. Petroleum is an exhaustible natural resources. The formation of petroleum took millions of years. The amount of these resources in nature are limited. These fuels will be exhausted fast due to their reckless and thoughtless use. Transport will be affected badly. The next generation will not have to face the darkness due to its economical and prudent use. Now talking about section C of chapter number 6, and the first one is scientific reason. Water should not be used to extinguish fire caused due to petrol. And the answer is petrol is lighter than water, hence it is float in water. When water is used to extinguish fire due to petrol, the petrol started floating on water. The fire does not extinguish, but the fire spends immediately. Hence, water should not be used extinguish fire caused due to petrol. Second one is LPG is better domestic fuel than wood, and the answer is its calorific value is higher than wood. It neither produces smoke nor does not leave any residue after burning. While wood produces a lot of smoke on burning and leaves behind ashes on burning, there is no control on the combustion of wood, but we can control combustion of LPG. LPG has low ignition temperature while wood have high ignition temperature, so it is take more time to start burning than LPG. So LPG is better domestic fuel than wood. Now talking about section D of chapter number 6, answer the brief, and the first one is what is acid rain? Write its effect, and the answer is diesel and petrol fuel gives gaseous oxide of sulfur and nitrogen. Oxide of sulfur and nitrogen dissolve in rainwater and forms acid. Such rain is called acid rain. Now effects of acid rain: leaves on trees are destroyed, the forest is destroyed, the fertility of the soil decreases, damages to buildings and marbles architecture. Second question is what is an ideal fuel? What kind of ideal fuel should it be? And the answer is a fuel which produces a large amount of heat and does not leave behind any undesirable substance is called an ideal fuel. Characteristics of an ideal fuel are given below. It is readily available, it burns easily in air at a moderate rate, it produces a large amount of heat, it does not leave behind any undesirable substance. Now talking about section C of chapter number 7 and the scientific reason. First one is global warming is a result of deforestation, and the answer is global warming means increase in temperature on the earth. Trees green cover decreases on earth due to deforestation. The rate of photosynthesis decreases because of fewer trees. Less amount of carbon dioxide is used. Amount of CO2 increase in the atmosphere. It traps the heat rays reflected by earth. So increase in temperature, for example, global warming is a result of the deforestations. Now talking about section D of chapter number 7, answer in brief, and the first one is state the consequence of deforestations, and the answer is consequences of deforestations increase in the amount of carbon dioxide in atmosphere. The increase in temperature on the earth reduce rainfall and many droughts. Soil erosion increase and fertility decrease. Fertile land gets converted into desert. Decrease in the water holding capacity of the soil. Decrease in nutrient content of soil and adverse effect on soil texture. Existence of wildlife may be threatened due to loss of their natural habitat. Second question is explain we should save, reuse and reused paper and recycle it. Answer is paper is useful product in our daily life. To make 1 ton of paper, 17 full grown trees are cut down. Increase in use of paper leads to deforestation. Paper can be recycled 5 to 7 times for use. Each student save at least one sheet of paper in a day. We can save many trees in a day. We should save, reuse and paper and recycle it. By this we not only save trees but also save energy and water needed for manufacturing paper. The amount of chemicals used in paper making will also be reduced. So to protect our environment and a part of to save trees, we should save, reused, used paper and recycle it. So here we are completing our revision of FA2 and you have to write all the revision in your fair notebook. Thank you and all the best for your exam.